What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Ange Predicts YouTube channel. I am Ange and I predict stuff. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe with the bell on. If you're looking to access my premium parlays for each sport I cover, as well as premium picks and betting strategies, become a member of my channel today by clicking the join button at the bottom of the video. Alright guys, welcome to my quick picks video. In my quick picks video, I give you guys the match winners along with the betting tips for each game on the schedule. I hope you guys enjoy them and I wish you guys good luck. Take care. Ciao.